Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create pop-up captions, like one word at a time in CapCut PC. Here, you can see that I have my audio, background, and caption files on the timeline. First, select all the caption files. In the top right menu, go to Animations, then Captions. In this menu, scroll down and look for an animation called Bounce Out. This is the animation that we are looking for. Download the animation and add it to the captions. Now, if I play the video from the start, you can see that my captions appear one word at a time. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.